So, let's say I.
Thank you. That's it. You're all cool, man. Yeah. Let's take you over here. I'm still here, man. They give me a high five. I'm still. I'm leaving in 3 hours or so.
Oh, okay. I think you were living right now.
No. I see you.
Sorry. within the next year or so to do, okay, take some time out and go back. I want to live abroad at some point, but I don't know when. Australia, you know. You got time, how old are you? I'm forgetting now. 26.